Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to remove a watermark from only the first page in Microsoft Word while keeping it visible on all other pages. This is especially useful for cover pages, reports, assignments, and professional documents where the first page should remain clean and watermark free. In this video, we will discover the correct method using header tools and section option to control watermark visibility for specific pages without affecting the entire document. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here assignment. Now here many page. Now we go to the design menu, click the watermark option. Now I am add the confidential watermark, otherwise you can add your custom watermark or picture. Select the confidential. Then we can see here all page have a watermark. Now I want to remove the watermark only on the first page. At first double click on the header. Go to the design menu. Then check mark on the different first page option. Then we can see we remove this watermark. Close the header and footer. Then check the all page. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.